In this video, prepare to have your mind changed about fashion and sneaker prices forever.
Bro, just the quality is so insane. Both things, £99, which is insane.
Today, we're going to be exploring some of the craziest places we've been to on our Asia tour so far.
Look how many levels. Do you think thousands of stores here?
Yeah, easily.
What? And it only gets crazier.
I'm checking out what makes Guangzhou China one of the best places on earth to go shopping. This is the manufacture city of the world. Guangzhou is the world's largest producer of sneakers and clothing, and what we found here not only blew our minds, but also made everything we knew about fashion and sneakers from the West feel like a scam. We started out here.
Alright, we are headed inside. We are in the world's largest fabric center, shopping mall, whatever you want to call this. It's insanely large.
Look how many levels.
Oh my
And these are
Lord.
not just like, oh, one little tiny level. These things go back freaking hundreds of meters.
Hundreds. There must be, do you think thousands of stores here?
Yeah, easily.
Whoa.
It's called Zongda, and it's the center for fabric, textiles, accessories, and pretty much everything someone needs to create a clothing brand from scratch. And let me be clear, these aren't fakes or cheaply made products, but where a lot of the world's largest brands source their materials and fabrics from.
Oh man, so this is just store after store full of different places that sell fabrics. Oh my god, the scale of this place is actually hard to describe. There is a bajillion different floors. It goes up forever, and each one is so expansive, I can't even see the end of. Hundreds of stores. All right, we made it to the ground floor. Look at this place. They make for Gucci. Oh, feel that. This one's kind of like double layered, but without being double layered. That feels like soft and something you would want to wear.
They have one-of-a-kind materials that you see from some of the highest-end brands.
Whoa.
Because this is the place many of your favorite brands come to source their fabrics and get inspiration for their new products. Not only can you find some of the highest quality materials here, but it's also some of the cheapest you'll find anywhere on earth, which is why so many brands source from here.
All right, look how high we made it. Boom, look at that. All the way down there. We've gone through all of these floors. Now, we haven't gone through every single store, but we've got an entire bag of goodies in here. Bunch of different samples that we're gonna take back. We've made it to the floor where there's no one, so I don't really know what's going on up here. Brother, we just realized this place also goes down, and that's where all of the accessories are. So it's not just all of that craziness, but it's also all of this down here, and I think there's two different basement levels. Holy. Down here, shit is popping. Scarves, zippers, we got laces, we got leather patches, we've got this giant zip. What even is that?
The general phrase that we were always told was that the quality of Chinese-made products was inferior. But after spending a few hours in here and seeing the level of not only quality, but quantity and options too, it made it harder and harder to believe that that was actually the case. But at this point, we didn't know what we were just about to experience next, which was going to change our minds forever. We just needed to find a way out of this chaos.
All right, buddy, we made it out.
Bro, you can't even look straight. You gotta watch every back you have.
Oh my God, we're about to get run over. Okay, well, when I said we made it out, I meant we're actively trying to make it out.
Oh my God, this is chaos, bruh. This is chaos. I feel like I'm at war.
Let's walk this way. Hey, you gotta keep your head on a goddamn swivel.
Don't make any unexpected movements.
Look at this place, bro. We think we found a calm little walkway. So, how you feel, dog?
Overwhelmed, overstimulated.
But we have to walk out because it's basically gridlock traffic, which you can kind of see over there. So, I don't know, can we walk on this?
I think they're constructing that.
Oh, all right. So yeah, we got to try and walk to a street where it's not so just packed with cars. We're out. See you at the next stop.
Next, we headed to a place called UUS, which the best way to describe it is imagine one of the largest shopping malls you've ever been to. But instead of a mixture of stores and restaurants, it's entirely clothing and shoes. And instead of paying marked up, inflated prices, everything here is wholesale prices. And on top of that, it's all some of the highest quality stuff you've ever felt in your life. Most of the items you'll see in this place is under $100, and that's if you're just buying one piece. It only gets cheaper the more you buy.
Yeah, some of these are real cool.
It's like $80 though for a jacket?
Yeah.
It's really cool design.
So you can come here to shop for yourself and buy a few pieces from each place, or you can pick out pieces from different places, slap your branding on it, and literally create a clothing brand all in one place.
This is really cool. And they've got like little lookbooks.
And this is just one building. There's the building we never went to that was across from Kimbo. Then there's ones on the other side of the road. So you can just walk around for days here looking at products.
Yeah, this is the place, hey? If you've got like a brand or something and you need inspiration or materials. They've all got really nice like stores. This would be in like a premium mall. Really cool stuff. Wow. Like really good quality too. All right, I'm gonna try this one on. Oh, it's like they got whole palettes. It almost does feel like a little bit unbranded because it's like, yeah, it's almost like a blank. What do you think? It's like they've got different color palettes all around. This is like the brown phase. Over here is like the charcoal phase. Let me try this on. This is a size large. No? Too long. Bro, just the quality is so insane. Incredible. Like these feel like ultra premium products. Like if you ordered this from a brand, you'd be like, whoa. And they're basically all like unbranded pieces because what Colin was telling us was like pretty much some people come here to basically get this like at wholesale and then they put their branding on it. So these are all basically blanks. Like if you try and look for the tags, there's never anything there, which is just so crazy. But they've got like premium like tags and everything. That feels insane. Wow. This place, we just found this like shoe shop. It's closed unfortunately, but like look at some of the stuff that's in here, like leather shoes. You've got like tabbies, all of the dress shoe types, like those ones over there would be real nice. And the cow print stuff over there, and it all just looks insanely premium. This is like, I don't even know what to describe this place as. I've never seen anything like this. Whoa. We've hit ultimate craziness now. Accessories, glasses. Holy, I wonder if that's a rep. Wow. Hey. Oh, bruh, luxury. Feel that.
It looks like you put in a plate. Whoa.
Nice, huh?
Wow. What do you think?
No smaller size here, or only tomorrow?
A little bit too chrome heartsy. Feels so premium though.
Maybe I'll try one.
So heavyweight. What a crazy idea. What you think? Ning? What? Bit long line?
Yeah, it's a little bit long, but that's probably because it's also
Large.
This only one. Only one
Oh,
piece.
one size.
Only one piece.
Oh. For something? That's crazy, bro. Get a jacket. Damn, bro's cashing out here.
I would have got jacket, but most of them don't come in the nest.
50
Hit it, and he's getting all of those pants. He's getting the chains, the glasses. This is the store. It's insanely cool. Very good stuff. I got a pair of sweatpants and like a camo bomber, and then they're gonna send it to the hotel. Both things, £99, which is insane. Look at some of these jackets, bruh. Insane. Look at that. With the freaking back. What? And it only gets crazier. Look at this. Like, have you ever seen jackets like this? Never in my life. And in the back, crazy. This one, that's so cool. Honestly, some of the best quality jackets I've ever felt. Brother, what are we doing? This, and then you have a normal puffer. Like, what? It's just unfortunate that they're all just too big. You can order your size, but it takes like 3 days and we won't be here. But like, this is the craziest jacket store I've ever seen. This is a medium, but it's not the color I want. And probably wouldn't wear this style because it's a bit too crazy. But just the sheer design is whoa. And this would all be like insanely affordable too, which is crazy.
After spending hours in this 10-story behemoth of a mall, we both said to each other how hard it's going to be to go shopping back home, where it feels like brands are continuously decreasing their quality and inflating their prices. Something that's been felt more and more, specifically this year.
Dog, how you feeling?
Man, that was, I feel almost like I shouldn't leave.
It was daytime when we came in here. Now it's night.
It was also Saturday, now it's Sunday.
I mean, that was 10 floors of insane brands, insane quality. We did make some pickups on the basis that they're gonna ship it to our hotel. But for right now, we're gonna try make it out of this this chaos over here. And try make it to go get some food. All right, let's try get out of here. Insane to get picked up. You just gotta wait on the side of a road and not try and get hit by these scooters, which are everywhere. And then they just randomly pull in, pick people up. Cars just stop.
Yeah, I think we'll go over.
Brother in Christ. And then
Hello.
look, they don't stop. They just keep coming through. Watch.
That was fucking crazy. Jesus.
Alright, somehow we are back in this place again. We need to find a suitcase. And when we were here yesterday, there was a place that was selling suitcases. They were closed yesterday, so we're hoping that they're open because otherwise we're probably just gonna have to settle for something that can at least just get us back to the UK because we've got so much stuff. Hey, look, that boot place is open. Yeah, some of these are lit. I mean, that one has... God, they're heavy duty as well. Yeah, Vibram outsole. These loafers though, yeah, the quality is just A2. So nice. Little chunky Chelsea boot. Oh, brother, look at this one. Can I look? Thank you. And they're all 42s. Yeah, these. What you think about them? Even those pretty lit. Do like those. Oh, bruh, they look good.
They look too big? Like get like a 41, because I feel like that's slightly too big. Yeah, 41? No, this one only.
Might get me some tabby pony mules. Like, how much?
200.
200.
You have 542?
5?
42?
42 is okay.
Hop. Yeah, let me try these on our queue. These are wild. You think? Yeah? How much?
780.
780? A little bit big. I can't get them all. Good. How much?
500.
500?
Yeah.
Oh, they're chunky though. Oh, that's nice. That's real nice. Should I try them on so you can see them with pants?
Yeah.
You can get some football boots. Crazy leather on these. It's just madness.
350.
And then 780,
780. 500.
500,
480.
450.
200. Okay, say send to hotel, okay?
When? Tomorrow?
Today.
Today?
Yeah.
It'll arrive today?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, we managed to secure a suitcase. 55 bucks for this thing. Not bad, not bad. Long way from the Romoa store, bud.
We did it, boys. We have got something that we've been trying to get for a real long time, since Singapore actually, wasn't it? But yeah, so there's one suitcase in here and then there's a matching one inside. So yeah.
It's a bit heavy. Good luck getting back. Dylan's gonna show us his pickup.
All right, then we got a bunch of caps. All of these were about $10 each. Amazing.
Oh, I didn't even see these. The insane thing about this place was the quality was like insane. And the prices were so, it really made us both lose trust in Western fashion.
Yeah, just Western prices. $10 as well, and they look great, I believe. Different styles. These the black ones are the ones you wanted, and then I copped them.
Yeah, those are fire.
We got the matching set because we kept on copying, and it just got crazier and crazier. And I said I'm not making it back without it. So
what's the price on these two?
So this was $130, which is unbelievable considering the quality. Like you wouldn't get this
aluminium.
in the
leather
UK
straps.
or the US. You'd be paying maybe $400 or $500 for these.
Yeah, easy.
And then yeah, this is the small version of it.
Yeah, I'm glad you didn't cop that remote. I think it's a waste of money.
Yeah,
Big waste of money.
130 versus 1,500.
Yeah, and I like on a percentage basis, you're probably getting like 90% of the quality.
Yes, I agree.
Just without the warranty thing that they do for life, which is pretty good, but it's like, still. You could buy enough of these to last you a lifetime for the price of that.
2 more
Well,
days.
you did also buy a bunch more stuff, but it's OTW, it's on the way. Alrighty, well, let's wrap it up there. Tomorrow we hit up Shenzhen.
Woo!
Shenzhen? Shenzhen or Shenzhen?
Yeah.
Alright, Ling Ling, catch you in the morning when we get on our very first bullet train.
Woo! Yeah, that's what's crazy. It's a 2-hour drive, but on a train, it's 40 minutes.
See you in the morning.